Welcome to the pretzel boli. This video will be on a three-style technique. First up will be the calzone. As you can see, we put the meat down first, we lay it across, the other one on top, so when you fold over and seal it, the inside of the meat has been layered, giving the appearance of more slices. Now that the product has been sealed, you want to bathe it in the browning solution. Now that the item has been properly bathed, apply the pretzel salt. Vent and bake. Next up will be the burrito style. Burrito style, you fold in half, take the upper end, fold in half. Now take the outer edge, leave the inner alone, and wrap over the top. And repeat on the other side. Now that it's sealed, flip over, reshape, add the appropriate vents. You can add 1, 2, or 3. Brown, of course, pretzel salt, and now you're ready for bake. The final technique, the Stromboli style, the famous pretzel boli. As you can see, the product has shifted down on the skin, so you fold a quarter, come across the top 4 inches wide, flip, continue tucking. Seal the ends, and the product is finished. Always apply a light coat of butter as it comes out of the oven. Once the bottom of the product has turned to a dark brown, the item is fully baked. These are the 3 different techniques for the pretzel boli.